everyone, welcome back. Hey, today I'm going to be smoking up a corned beef brisket out here on my Akorn. It's about 10:45 a.m. It's about 90 degrees outside here in May, Memorial Day. So it's going to take about 6 hours. Going to be a good day. Stick around. Okay, well, let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, I've got my lump charcoal in there. I'm going to throw in some wood chips, some hickory wood chips. They've been soaked. Some of those on there. Alrighty, it looks like we're going. This little guy down there. Guy's going. Okay. We got fire. Okay, once you get the fire going, again, you want to make sure both dampers are wide open. This one's wide open. The one down at the bottom is wide open. And you want to wait for it to start smoking, and then you can start adjusting your temperature. You can close it or open it, and that's how you can control your temperature, the top one and the bottom. 90 degrees. It's gonna be warm today. Alrighty. I just put the brisket on, and well, we'll give this a go. We'll see how it turns out. Hey, I got chicken on standby, so if this fails, I'm barbecuing up the chicken. All right, we'll see in a little while. Okay, well, it's been about 2 hours, and it finally came up to about 250. So that's a good temperature. About another hour from now, I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to wrap it in foil, and then I'm going to put it back on the grill and continue to cook it for another 2 hours. And we'll see what it comes out to be. I mean, it looked good, so I got a lot of hot coals in there, so we will see. Okay, well, it's been on the grill about 3.5 hours. And at 3 hours, I took it out off the grill. I wrapped it up in foil. I poured a little bit of barbecue sauce over it, added a little bit of water to that, and then put it back on the grill. And now we're holding steady just about 250, which is good. So it'll cook a couple more hours, and okay, we're about 4 hours into this, and I've taken it off, I've turned it, and I've wrapped it in foil, and I put it back on the grill. So now we've got about just 1 more hour to go. Just 1 more hour. And we're still holding steady about, wow, looks like about 300 degrees. And as promised, I also have my backup going on here, just in case the it doesn't turn out. It might be too salty. It was a little salty, so it might be too salty for my taste anyway. But nonetheless, I've got some chicken thighs on the grill and some baked potatoes. So you know, we'll see how it all turns out. We'll see how it all turns out. So, I mean, it might, I'm sure it's going to be yummy. But, oh, look, do you see? Okay, well, it's been about 5 hours, and I'm getting ready to, and it's held steady at 300 degrees, 285, 300 degrees. I'm getting ready to take it off the grill, and I'm going to wrap it up, and I'm going to tuck it in here in my igloo, and for about an hour. My chicken going. And my baked potatoes. And the timing should be just about perfect. Oh, okay. It's off the grill. We're going to wrap this up. Alrighty, it's in the igloo, and we're gonna let it rest for 1 hour. The moment of truth. Let's see. Alrighty, so this has been hanging out in a cooler for about a little over an hour now. Let's see how it turns out. So, my goodness. Well, it actually doesn't look too bad. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to take this. Did you just see that? Did you see that? It just like fell apart? Oh my gosh. That just fell off in my hand, and look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're going to put it over here. I'm going to get it off of this. Okay, there we go. Now I gotta tell you, this beef has been smoking for the better part of the day. I had it on I finally got it on the grill about 12:30. And look at that, it just pulls apart. Now I've got a small bit right there, and I'm gonna taste this right now. That's really good. You know, when I took it out of the package, I got to tell you, when I took it out of the package, I rinsed it really well to try to get all the salt and everything off of there. And I was a little bit worried about the salt content. Because I thought it might still be a little bit high. But actually, it's not that bad. It's really good. I'm going to cut some up. I'm going to take some to my neighbor. Okay, so here's the feast. I've got barbecue chicken. My neighbor made some ramen salad. And then we shared the corned beef. So it's been a good day. Alrighty. You guys have a great weekend. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.